Hey folks, I'm just doing some service on this Interstate's generator. You want to see how it's done? Come on in. Hey there fellow RVers, as always my name is Joe Welches and welcome to our detailed guide on Onan generator maintenance for your home on wheels. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or new to the RV lifestyle, keeping your generator in tip-top shape is essential. Today we'll dive into everything from those all-important service intervals and DIY maintenance tips right down to what's in the maintenance kit for your Cummins Onan generator, so grab a toolkit and let's get started. First, let's start with a very important topic, and that's service intervals. When it comes to the Cummins Onan generator in your RV, regular service intervals are like a health checkup. Think of it this way, just as you take care of your engine, your generator needs attention as well. Regular maintenance, like checking and replacing the oil, the fuel filters, and other components. That'll ensure that the generator runs smoothly, giving you the best fuel efficiency and performance. Plus, it's a great way to catch any potential problems before they become big, costly issues. Now, Cummins Onan recommends specific service times, such as a crucial oil change after the first 20 hours of running, then routine checkups somewhere between every 150 to 250 hours. When you hit around 1,000 to 2,000 hours, you might need a more significant overhaul. Following these guidelines will not only keep your generator purring like a big cat, but also extending its lifespan, saving you money in the long run and making sure that you're always powered up for an adventure. Let's take a look at your meter. The meter on your Cummins Onan generator is like a trusty guide. It tells you how long your generator has been running, not just how long it's been on. Think of it as the heartbeat of your generator. It'll tell you when to change the oil, replace the filters, and other important things. Just like your car needs its checkups, the generator does as well. And the hour meter is your go-to guide for exactly that. Now let's quickly go over the maintenance kit and what it does for you. These kits come packed with all the essentials: oil filters, air filters, spark plugs, fuel filters, and even some special tools that match your generator. What's really great about the Cummins Onan's kit is that they're designed specifically for your generator model. No guesswork is involved. It saves you money and time. And more importantly, using these kits ensures that your generator lasts a long time. So, when should you use them? Well, follow the guidelines in your owner's manual, but generally every 100 to 150 hours of running time is when you're going to want to give your generator a little TLC with this kit. So next time you're doing some maintenance on your RV, grab one of the comprehensive kits. It's a smart investment and it's all about giving you peace of mind on the road. Your generator's like the heart of your RV, and this kit is like a regular checkup to keep it in tip-top shape. Let's jump right into the importance of your first oil change. This is something that you don't want to overlook. With Cummins Onan, you'll want to get that oil change done right after the first 20 hours of use. That's to wash away any of those leftover bits from manufacturing, so your generator runs just like a dream. Now, I know you might have heard different things from different folks, and that's because every generator make has their rules. Some might say 50 hours, others might talk about the type of oil, but with your Cummins Onan, stick with what the manual says, and that should be right around the 20-hour mark. The Onan generator on this unit has already been serviced, but for the opportunity to show you what the components look like, we took the door off, and we just wanted to point out things like the air box over here, which if you pop back these tabs actually has the air filter inside. And then over here we actually have the cap for our oil fill, and if we pull this off and out, we can actually see the level of the oil in the generator physically on that stick, which is always good to have a dipstick. We also have priming and a control right here, which will flash error codes when we have issues. It's also worth looking on the back of the label here on the door, because that should mention how much oil this guy will actually take. In the end, it's all about treating your generator right so that it treats you right when you're out on the road. Follow the Cummins Onan guidelines and you'll have yourself a generator that's loyal and dependent. Also, just like any product, make sure to use it or run it on a monthly basis if you don't plan on using the RV. It's a good practice to make sure nothing goes wrong while your RV sits. And remember, some things are best left to the pros. If you stumble upon something that feels a bit too big for your boots, don't hesitate to call a mechanic like myself. Safety comes first, and knowing when to ask for help is a big part of being a responsible RV owner. Keep up with routine maintenance, and your generator will be good to you for many miles down the road. And there you have it, friends. We've covered maintenance on your Cummins Onan generator. We've given you the knowledge you need to keep that generator humming smoothly. Remember, a well-maintained generator means a worry-free journey, so never underestimate the importance of a routine care. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more RV tips and tricks. Subscribe to the Colonial Airstream channel for more insider guides, tips, and tours on all things RV. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or you want us to cover specific topics in our future videos. My name is Joe Welches, and I'll see you all again in the next Colonial video.